Top 10 Best and Beautiful Waterfalls of the World. 1. Niagara Falls, New York, USA and Ontario, Canada. 2. Victoria Falls, Livingstone, Southern Province, Zimbabwe. 3. Angel Falls, Canaima National Park, Venezuela. 4. Kaieteur Falls, Potaro River, Potaro-Siparuni region, Guyana. 5. Yosemite Falls, Yosemite National Park, Yosemite Valley, California, USA. 6. Gullfoss Falls, near Haukadalur, Golden Circle, South region, Iceland. 7. Dettifoss Falls, Northeast region, Iceland. 8. Plitvice Waterfalls, Plitvice Lakes National Park, Lika-Senj County, Karlovac County, Croatia. 9. Sutherland Falls and the Milford Track Waterfalls, Fiordland National Park, New Zealand. 10. Huangguoshu Waterfall, Huanguoshu Town, Zhenning County, China.